Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Lumary smart plug here with a 60 ampere fuse. It's a Wi-Fi outlet, a wireless smart socket here on the way. That's really cool because this makes your home much smarter than before. It's a wireless smart socket. It works with Alexa and Google Home, with remote control via the app, or you can use a key button on the smart plug itself. So you can see three options. You can use the app, the Lumary app for it. You can use your voice by Alexa and Google Home, and of course you can use your finger. And if you are going to use the app, you can make a timer function. And no app is required for this. This device only supports the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and it's not compatible with Bluetooth, so we have to connect the smart plug by hand rather than connected by Bluetooth automatically. It's really easy. The only thing you have to do is start the app, and then you can choose your Wi-Fi network, which is a 2.4 GHz network. If you have a 5 GHz network at home, it's not a big deal. You have to go to your router and enable the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. That's all. And then we can connect it. We can pair it easily by using the app. We can control our home appliance by the Lumary or the Smart Life app, whenever and wherever we are. It's compatible on top with Alexa. With Google Home Assistant, we control our home device by simply giving them voice commands. And we could create customized schedule to automatically turn on and off any electronics or appliance as we need it. We can create a group for all of our smart plugs. That means we can tap one and we can control the multi-smart plugs. That's a really awesome function, I think. And of course, we can use our voice. For example, we say, Alexa, turn on the coffee machine. While our coffee machine is plugged in with that device here, and then Alexa will turn on this smart plug, and this smart plug will turn on the coffee machine instantly. That's really cool. Or you make a timer function. For example, you make a timer function 5 a.m. sorry. Turn on the coffee machine if we stay at the coffee machine, and then at 5 a.m. the coffee machine will get enabled, and you can have a joy of hot, fresh coffee at 5:30 if you get up. And so many more, okay? We make sure that our Wi-Fi network works with 2.4G. We do not connect the smart plug by Bluetooth automatically. We do not use it to control home appliance, which power is over 16 ampere. But 16 ampere is the standard use in our home electronic supply. So 16 ampere is good. We plug the smart plug into an outlet and we power it on. We download the Lumary or the Smart Life app from the Google Play Store or the App Store by Apple. We follow the in-app instruction to add the smart plug by hand into our account. We do not connect the smart plug by Bluetooth automatically. If we cannot bring our smart plug to the pair mode, we press and hold the power button on the smart plug itself for 5 up to 10 seconds until the indicator light will rapidly blink fast. And then we wait for connection. That's really easy. You can perform this. If we are in our app, we will choose a socket, of course, and a Wi-Fi socket. After this, we select the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Then we enter the password. Step 3 is job's done. Nearly. We can name it. We can control it via the app. And of course, we can pair it with Alexa, and then we can make a control via Alexa. That's really cool. This is the Lumary Smart Plug, a 16 ampere Wi-Fi outlet. It's wireless smart socket, and it works with Alexa and Google Home. It's for remote control with timer function, and no app is required. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.